Yes guys, Ryan here, aka Cruise Effects, giving you your weekly outset on gold for the 26th of August 2024, going into the last week of the monthly candle. So, hopping straight into it, all-time highs on gold, still reaching all-time new highs. Obviously had a couple of weeks ago, had that very big bullish candle, finishing with that very little no top wick, followed by this weekly candle. Volume's still there, but died out, as you can see, evidently on a very small body candle. Pretty much just closing above price from the previous week to that. Now, when we get a weak bullish candle like this, we've obviously broken out this new range, this new resistance, reaching all-time new highs. So we have had the breakout, followed by this very weak bullish candle. Now, looking at candles like this, we can do one of two things that I often see. Firstly, the first one being open up a candle opens, and we do have a little pullback or a little bottom wick, and then driving up, break the previous wick, and then obviously see a rejection. It's a very weak bullish candle that we've just had, therefore showing that the bullish volume is dying down. So for the market to drive down, I do think we're going to break that previous wick first if we are going to reject and drive down, enticing some more buyers into the market, and then take that up, drive down, finishing on a bearish week. That's one possibility. So therefore, looking something potentially like so. Oh, awful judgment there. Try that again, Ryan. I'm just not going to get the line, but this is the wick anyway. Looking something like so. It's not going to let me do it there. Not having a good start, Ryan. Here we are. Looking something like so, breaking the previous wick, and then getting that drive down, finishing bearish. Or the other possibility is the MC play. If you are part of the course, you know what the MC play is. When we got a nice breakout at all-time new highs as well, and we often see something like this. If we do break previous lows in the previous wick, then the MC play is after we've broken the lows, they then come back up to flip and then break the previous highs. With this bullish momentum, it wouldn't surprise me if we do this, but yep, that will finish something like so. Hopefully you guys can see that wick through the computer. If not, I'll just extend that. So coming down first of all, breaking the previous low, and then continue to break the previous high. Looking at entries at the break of the previous high wick if you're just trading off the weekly candle. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking for price to do this week. Let's take it down to the daily. So it's pretty evident on the daily that we formed this new resistance at around 2.4. Why is it just giving me two prices there then? It's going to be difficult. At around 2515577, around that price. And then we've got this support that we've just formed. Obviously we tapped into that previous resistance, rejected, and now retesting the now retesting the resistance. Support holding at 2484403. So potentially off the daily, if we do get a closure below this area, we've obviously got the initial wick fill here, and then we've got this lovely, we've got to get past that wick fill of course, and then do get a closure below there. We'll be looking to retest some of this clean range coming down to this previous support at 2447795. So that'd be lovely. And on the flip side, getting a closure above this most recent resistance again. We've got this lovely wick fill to left hand side, 130 pips. Getting a closure above there, I would expect price to carry on going bullish, creating more all-time new highs. So, couple of possibilities, potential above and close off the daily there. Looking at the 4 hour, exactly the same as the daily, apart from the daily wick fill is actually a nice clean candle to the left hand side, getting a closure above this area. I did have a look at this earlier as well. Let me just delete the boxes, they're pretty big. I did have a look at this as well. What I've completely forgot. Oh yeah, earlier I looked at it earlier, and this 4 hour here, not very nice. So where the next 4 hours going to go? Could break the highs, break the lows, do whatever it wants. But yeah, if you're trading off the 4 hour, wait for a closure outside this range predominantly now. Getting a closure above, we've got really nice clean candles up to retest that wick fill on a daily. Similarly, we've got to the downside the wick fill, and then we've got nice clean range down to 2452, and past that again we've got a more clean range to 2441 area as well. Taking it down to the 1 hour. 1 hour I would be adjusting I would like to see a closure above 2519611. And we've got lovely clean candles to the left hand side, really nice and clean, about 100 pip clean candle, getting a closure above there. We can adjust it a bit more for sales on the hourly because we've got this new support form. So a closure below here, we've got this really nice wick fill, really healthy amount of pips, 64, 65, 68 pips, and then below the wick fill we've obviously got the new support, and then a further wick fill. So really nice to downside, getting a closure below 2509627. And take it down to the half an hour. This will I'll be adjusting. I'd like to see a closure below for sell zone 2507669. Again, we've got a really nice wick fill. Past the wick fill becomes a bit more messy. Let me just measure out this range, because obviously that might close at a certain Asian session. Not going to trade the Asian session, but later on in the week, if we do continue to drive down, just want to see what clean candles we have here. Is it suitable a range for us? Yeah, so not bad, 42 pip range. So again, we've got that clean range there. And then after that, again, I'd like to see for a bit later in the week, closure below 2488861, and then lovely clean candles to retest these lows down here at 2478659. So something to look out for in the week. Further down the line, and again after half an hour, yeah, exactly the same. If we're looking at TPs off the buys above 2519611, first TP we were looking at this this area here where we drove down previously with a very small top wick, with not cleanest price action. I mean, it looks clean, but with these wicks, the left hand side, wouldn't have taken that sell, but just not so much clean price action. So yeah, I'd like to see that get taken out first as a TP1, that area 2524005, and then TP2, TP3 2530083. And just because I do like to take it down to the 15 minute, really nice small range formed here. Say we were to carry on ranging kind of in this zone here, when we come to the charts during London. Oh, remind me of something on that in a minute as well. We've actually formed this nice small range here, so we do carry on breaking ranging in here. First of all, like sales below 2500677. We've got really nice clean candles for the TP1 at 25033350. Nice healthy amount of pips. Range looking at lovely, about 65 pips there, and then we've got for final targets after that, really nice clean candles down to 2496548. Another really nice semi-pip range. And again, after that range, let me just mark that out, at that support level there. That support level there. And then again for the final TP, a bit later on in the week, perhaps another 45 pip range. So really nice there. And for buys, we do get closure above 2513-157. Got lovely clean candles, nice 45 pip range there to retest that zone. Zooming out, TP2 is going to be at the top of this range here. A little bit of a clean candle, a bit of chop after that, but again, it'd be nice with volume to fill that range. And then again, after we get a closure above 2519.959, again we've got the lovely clean candles to the left hand side. But yes, we'll see what candle closures we get during the week. Last note, tomorrow is a UK bank holiday. London banks won't be trading, so personally I'm going to be staying away from the charts. I've just checked Forex Factory, so I'll be staying off the charts for tomorrow. Hope you're enjoying the weekly outsets, and yeah, if you do want to join the daily updates for 24/7 throughout each day, then the course Market Cruiser link is in the bio, or my Instagram bio at Ryan Cruise FX. Check that out. We've got live streams, we've got daily analysis. I post every single trade that I do before and after, so I will let the group know I'm going to be looking at buys here, I'm going to look at sales here, from our analysis that we post in the morning. Live streams, minimum 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And we also have a lovely community. We're going really well, currently sitting at 13 wins and 3 losses, so it's been a really positive start. Some lovely reviews as well. But hope you had a good weekend, and we'll see you in the week. And that is over and out from me.